I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm baking a real crowd pleaser and it's coming right up. So today I'm making my dark chocolate brownies. Now, a good brownie has very distinct characteristics. It needs to have a flaky top and it needs to have a fudgy center. The more you cook it, the drier the cake becomes, so it's really fine balance at making sure you've got enough cooking time so that it is cooked, but don't overcook it because we want that fudgy gooey center. The recipe I'm doing today is a very simple melt and mix. I'll show you how it's done. So in this bowl I have 250 grams of dark chocolate and 200 grams of butter. And it's in a heat-proof bowl sitting over the top of a saucepan of barely simmering water. We're going to keep heating these two ingredients together until they are completely melted. Okay, now to my melted chocolate mixture, we're going to add 200 grams of caster sugar. So that's not quite 1 cup. And 3 eggs. What we're going to do now is we're going to beat these ingredients with an electric beater until they have just come together. Okay, now in another bowl I have 80 grams of sifted plain flour. To this I'm going to add 60 grams of dark cocoa powder. Now I'm going to add my sifted dry ingredients to the brownie mixture. And I'm also going to add a splash of vanilla extract. Now we fold this together nice and gently, folding it through so that it's well incorporated. Now this is the point in which you bring in your add-ins. So today I'm going to add about 100 grams of dark chocolate chips and I'm going to fold that through. But it's completely up to you what you want to add at this stage. You might want to add some nuts, you might want to add some fresh raspberries, anything. This is where you get to be creative. Now, once that has folded through, don't over stir, we don't want to do too much. Now, once that's folded through, we're going to pour that into our slice tray. This is a 27 by 18 centimeter slice tray. We're going to pour this beautiful, shiny, thick, glossy chocolate brownie batter into our tin. And by the way, I've got my oven preheating at 160 degrees Celsius. Now just make sure that batter gets to those edges. Spreading it out nice and evenly. And then we're going to bake this for 30 minutes or until just firm.